Alright y'all, what's up? It's Outside Meadows. I'm back with another video today. Today we're gonna be doing a review on these new shoes I got. They called the Logan Blush. I got them from a website called Straye. They just came in the mail. Let me go ahead and open up for you. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like these. I ain't even gonna lie. They called the Blush. This colorway right here is called the Blush Flame. It's like a light purple. Kind of steez if you ask me. Okay, got a little tag on it, a little custom tag. Comfy vibes, foot pain, 0%. It's kind of like a nutrition fact. Look at that. But boy, they on here wilding. If y'all haven't got to skate these yet, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a try later on today. Just wanted to do a little unboxing video since I first got them. See how they fit. Well, in Vans, I usually wear probably about size 11 and a half. These fit kind of similar to that. You can see I can kick them on and kick them off like that. But they're not laced up. It's 11 and a half. Mine are usually size 11. Try to get them like a half a size bigger because I didn't know. It's my first time skating these. But yeah, just from the fit, just from trying them on like this loosely, yeah, I like how they fit. They look kind of good. I don't know if y'all can see them down there. They kind of feel like some like those Nigel Houston shoes. Kind of got the similar look, but I don't know. I'm kind of rocking with these. I got them off a website called Straye. Straye, like that. It was about 65 bucks, 70 bucks plus tax. Maybe like 80 bucks plus tax. And I haven't got to skate them yet, but they look and feel pretty durable. Just looking at them right now, I can tell you one thing that I'm already feeling is this right here. Got this little extra piece of protection right here. Yeah, because look at these shoes right here. Yeah, all my other skate shoes, that's the first part to go out, as you can see. Boom. Boom. So they got that little extra protection right here. It's like rubber. Make sure you don't blow through that so easily. I'm feeling that. Yeah, I definitely want to go ahead and skate these. It looks like a sunny day out today. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a skate and see what I think about them. Gotta lace them up. But yeah, just from doing the unboxing, yeah, I'm gonna give them a good. Yeah, I'll give them a good 8 or 9 out of 10. I know I haven't skated them yet, but I would give them a 10 out of 10. But I was feeling the colorway online, but now that I'm seeing them, like I really don't know what I'm gonna make it work, but I really don't know what I'm gonna wear these just yet. But yeah, I think they're gonna be some pretty cool skate shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a try later on today. You guys want to see that video? Just go ahead and leave a comment in the video. I'll get that uploaded as soon as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and check these out. Throw them on my feet, get my skate gear on. I'll let y'all know. So go ahead and like, subscribe to my YouTube if you thought this was a helpful video. Probably do a couple more videos like this coming up pretty soon. Yeah, but yeah, just like and subscribe. Thank you.